Nigeria government won't bring police people and the citizens together. Now they don't send all the new set of police don't graduate in case no. They don't send them out. They say now they could go for different communities. They say now them will go to protect the citizens. Say they want to make the police people and the citizens together. They fight crimes. Me, I don't get any problem. Oh. Anything when I decide, since it's good for the community or for the country, it's fine. But my own be say, listen where all these police people, I beg, put their picture first, make these people see who are they talk about. I hope say they don't undergo mental and psychological training, examination, I mean. Because, now remember that Sars thing. They say those ones, they don't undergo exam. Make we know, because before these ones will go, go the kiki people anyhow. Anyhow, I get advice for una. As una they look me like this and they look una. Make una listen carefully. No taking of money from people on the road. You know those things when they do. For anything for me. Like say, me and you go work my money together. No taking of money from people on the road. No kidnapping, because now the latest way police people get to the kidnap. I don't even know when I ever start the kidnap. They say we're supposed to protect, but I don't end up the kidnap. And no selling of guns. Make una open una ear. No selling of guns, because this matter I don't hear them before. I just say make her keep quiet. I don't bring advice come in our house. All of una we don't graduate as soon as they watch me like this. No selling of guns, so no triumph. No lying. Una sabi lie. E be like say as they born una, lie they come out together. Una sabi lie. Make una know they lie again. And another one, no borrowing of uniforms. Una know una selves. I no go mention name. Una know una self. No borrowing of uniform. And then no bribing. All of una we sabi bribe. You go no say this person they wrong, but they go just give you money. Your mouth don't shut up. No be waiting you bargain. No. Abi una don't graduate now. No be. I'm not sure say they teach you now for the class or una go take or the training. No bribing, no corruption. Nigeria police, una get 100 for that one. No corruption. And no checking of people's phones. This one when I go they do, person fit just day your own car they go. Even people who know they car, they could fit you fit just they work for road before you know they don't call you. Let me see your phone. Wait till they find for person phone. Now you and person gain phone, I be you join money. No taking of people's phone to check. Make una listen now. And then no smoking. Many of una like the una get 100. No smoking, but if una catch person, una go arrest the person. But una they take all those things pass. And they watch una. No harassment. Una know what they talk about. No harassment. All those boys where they work, they hustle, they hustle. Una go just want they harass them anyhow. No harassment. And please, if una want arrest anybody, the politicians are there, because now them be the biggest criminals where we get. I don't care if you agree with me or not. I don't talk am. Now them una supposed arrest. And then no intimidation. Hey, this one they pay me pass. You go just if police they tell you something and you want maybe explain yourself. Shut up. Don't you have respect for this uniform? Which uniform? Now these 2 years where they wear, where it be like waiting even be original. Now they call make person respect uniform. They never ever respect you finish. Now uniform they call respect. See these people. Make una just see them. Me, no be say before they go to say are they against anything, no? Now their decision. But I just want to show una. See them. This one look like person will never chop. See as they be. Some of them say don't they lost inside the uniform. The uniform just bogus, just big for nothing. They say carry gun. Some of them say the gun where they carry, they don't even fit carry. The gun heavy past them. I don't understand which kind. Oh, wait till I put all those macho. You know, if you watch abroad, there are police people. To become police, go just the hungry you. You go just want to be police. They look fresh. They chop well. This one You go just go chop one fried fish, their break time, come back, all their mouths go the smell of fish. Now that mouth said they go use come arrest you, where you go all vomit. See, I don't experience many things. I don't go understand. Their money, how much did they pay them? No more that they go about. I don't tell you now, no more bribe. All those things they no so they do before. Make una stop them. Time don't reach. Stop them. As una don't graduate, I don't even fit on a congratulations because I don't feel like, and it's your business. And people, una don't hear them all. Now the new set of people be this. So anytime una see them for una area, una community, make una know say I don't bring una the gist before time. Yes, now here with the Aproko Show, where we they bring you all the latest gist. No time. I go see you later. Don't forget, drop your comments, share this video, make everybody know what they happen for Aproko Show. And if you never subscribe, and you go fight to what they wait for. Click on that thing and click on the bell too, so that anytime when new videos come, you will be the first to get up. You understand? Now me, you Aproko madam. I go see you later. Hello my beautiful viewers, you're welcome to the Aproko Show here on 101 TV, where we bring you all the latest gist. As I tell you now, before anytime when you're bored, when you don't know what to watch, hey, just dial on this very station. You understand? Yes, I bring una matter way hot, Regina Daniels. I dey very sure say most of una don't hear about Regina Daniels. Yes, I don't bring the matter come una house today. And for una we don't know, Regina Daniels is an actress and film producer. They born her for 2000. Hey, the girl young go. And she started act movies when she did 7 years. Chai! Some people good, sha. And the man we marry now na Ned Uwoko. Some of una know him, some of una don't know him. For una we don't know him, na lawyer, politician, and humanitarian. Yes, and he's married to Regina Daniels. This very same man has 5 wives. Wow. Money they talk. He has 5 wives. Now he has made Regina Daniels. See, life is sweet, but no be this kind of life, sha. I just a joke. My people, matter where I bring for now today, they say, I see the hot. It be like say this man Ned Uwoko go soon give person another wedding ceremony, because we don't they see rings for person finger, different rings. People just they flaunt. Hey, this very see, I don't understand because for the I bet put picture, make these people they see what they talk about, make we flow together. You see the picture. Una fit see say it is very clear that Regina hand be that. She hold the other lady hand and the other lady wear the ring. But I don't understand why, because anyway, some people they okay to share. Because me I no feel they happy say my man they go marry another person and she they very happy, she they excited. You just see her they laugh. She even write na her post. She write wifey. Hey, now be say she don't ready, she don't welcome the woman. You understand? It gets something way catch my attention. You understand? Where they talk saying be humanitarian. And because of that, I guys go learn some things. Because humanitarian, to my own understanding, they say you they help people for their needs without discrimination. And I go to say I don't come again. Because now this man title can't they relate with his wives. And when I wait they just they jump body, jump inside. Now him be this. Him be women humanitarian. Yes, una no know before na this na just title where person go school go get. Na lie. Women humanitarian because he first get one, second one, third one, fourth one. He just they help them. Because now waiting humanitarian mean you they help people without discrimination. Yes, so they help them. Another one will soon enter, and after that one, another one will soon enter. All of them, so go just a line up. This one too now will soon go join queue, and they go see, and she go take O2. Yes, we never know. Regina Daniels go do wedding. They give her one thing to drink, and that thing, you go first swear, say you go never meet any man. And the only thing where fee break that thing, now unless this man die. So as it be like this, Regina Daniels no fit try anything. If not, she go just die. which kind of bondage una just dey carry una sef dey enter. Women, una no dey hear word. Anytime, any place where woman hear money, their body no dey rest. They just want to enter. They don't care. Una suppose wise, oh. Wise. See how this one now, she don't happy because they bring another wife. All of una don't turn committee of wives in one man house. Now money they cost all this thing. Money. I dey sure say even many of una way they watch me now. If that man can't give una chance. I don't talk anything on a joke. I just a joke. And people are the matter. Regina Daniels now don't welcome the last wife. Okay, not last. Another one go surely dey. I dey very sure. So I want to know una opinion for this matter. What do una think? Una think say Ned go marry that woman? Abi una think say na just flirt where they flirt? Because even this girl matter even been there inside Chika Ike, where they say she. You know, she and Ned get something. But that one wise, if you ask me. Yes, she wise. Because, see, old man like that, you know, see, you go enter bondage if you marry her. So she take as many money as she can take. She take them, she save them, she buy car, she do this. She wise. Why you go marry a person like that? And even they even talk say, as it be like this, if they possible say she no go even get second child. Because the man don't old. Anything will happen at any time. Oh, my people, I bet no time. I want to know an opinion for this matter. What do you not think? May this man marry this lady? I be making marriage and then be the last one. Even though if you ask me, I go tell you say it's not possible because this man a womanizer. You know they use eye, see skirt. And I noticed something. He gets something for fair ladies. Anything fair, he go just want enter. Now wait till I notice. So my people, I want to know an opinion. Drop them for the comment section. And don't forget, share this video. Make everybody know what they happen for this show. Now me again, Irene Perico. No go far because I will soon come back. See you later.